Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to our daily financial outlook. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The gold-dollar pair made a minor upward correction in the last session, gaining 0.2%. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The euro dipped a slight 0.2% against the dollar in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal, going against our overall technical analysis. The pound-dollar pair saw a minor dip of 0.2% in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal. The last session saw the Aussie drop 0.4% against the dollar. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal.
Coming up, our chief analysts' choices for today.
European stocks closed lower as concerns about Omicron and caution ahead of monetary policy announcements from as many as 4 central banks prompted traders to lighten commitments. Bank of England Governor Andrew Bailey has warned banks and other regulated financial firms that they should be especially cautious about holding volatile crypto assets. American chip manufacturer Intel Corporation will invest $7.1 billion in a new state-of-the-art facility, Malaysian authorities said.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The US NFIB Business Optimism Index will be released at 1100 GMT. The Eurozone's industrial production at 1000 GMT. The UK's ILO unemployment rate at 700 GMT. The US Producer Price Index will be released at 1330 GMT, Japan's capacity utilization at 430 GMT, and the UK's claimant count change at 700 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.